Hello, welcome to episode number 38, still under dynamic mechanics series we are doing, which is on the last course outline, momentum and what? Impulse. So we have the impulse of a body of mass mkg by a force which changes its speed, uh, its speed from 6 meter per second to 11 meter per second in the same direction is given as what? 30 Newton what seconds. So we have to find the value of what? M. So what we can remember is that if I'm looking for impulse, which is equals to the change in what? Momentum. The impulse equals to change in momentum, which can either be rewritten as M V minus what? U. So from the question, the impulse of a body is 30. So our impulse is going to be given as what? 30 Newton seconds. Then the final velocity is also given as 11 meter per second. The initial velocity is also given as 6 meter per second, and the mass is given as what? Capital mg, capital M kg. So by substitution, I can only say that the impulse, which is 30, equals to the mass times final velocity of 11 minus what? 6. That gives us 30 equals to 5m. And m will become 30 divided by what? 5. So m is going to be 6. Therefore, the value of m is going to be 6 what? Kg. That is, if we are taking into consideration the impulse as a definition in terms of what? Change in momentum. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.